Hey, Iyo! Wow.
Ready ka ba?
Of course.
Ready ka? Okay. So yung first serious topic natin, Pinoy Big Brother.
But okay.
Okay, ano yung thoughts mo on the latest season of PBB?
It's really good. This is a collab that we never thought will happen, like GMA and ABS-CBN, because, diba, especially in the Philippines, people had this thing, network wars, yung mga ganon-ganon. And hindi na uso yun diba? Like, as long as we give the viewers good content, I think it's yun ang importante. And
yes,
yun nga, it's really good kasi a lot of people are saying na PBB is no longer a thing, it's no longer relevant or whatever. But I think the collab edition proved that PBB really stood the test of time. It's back, diba? Everyone is talking about it. Kaya this is a really, really good season.
You think this is a parang big jump from like the previous season, the seasons before that? Parang this year in particular was when
naman. The mere fact na it's a collaboration between GMA and ABS-CBN, sobrang laking jump na yun Pero the mix of the housemates, very, very good.
Actually, I ask you this because nag-PBB ka. So Justin was in PBB 2020, right?
Yeah, almost 5 years ago. Sa December, 5 years na.
Okay, so how did you start PBB? Ano yung kwento behind that?
The kwento behind that, it's kind of long, but to make it short na lang, it was pandemic. It was COVID yun lockdown
Anong month ka nag-start?
December. I was a fresh graduate.
Okay.
I was a fresh graduate.
From?
College, no? Sa Angeles University Foundation.
Then you took ABCom, right?
ABCom, yes.
I watched your jam book.
Oh my God. So anyway, wala akong work. Kasi like, mahirap kumuha ng work kasi lockdown So wala akong ginagawa sa bahay na typical. You're on your phone, you're making dalgona coffee, you're baking, you're cooking, whatsoever. And then nakita ko lang sa social media, the Blue app, I don't know if I can say it here, the Blue app, that auditions are ongoing. No?
Okay.
Lumabas sa feed Ang dami kasi nag-share. Alam mo yung eventually lumalabas siya sa feed mo. Sabi ko, okay, online. Sige nga, I recorded a video ng gabi doon sa garden namin.
Okay.
And then, from there, nakapasok ako. Who would have thought? Kasi, I don't watch PBB prior In fact, I interned for ABS-CBN on 2019, ng summer. Tapos 1 year after, naging housemate ako sa PBB. So it all started from a video that I took on a whim ng madaling araw.
And as in, when you took that video, wala kang social na equipment or anything?
Wala kang ginanyan ko lang.
Techie.
Ginanyan ko lang yung telepono ko.
Ganun lang.
Tapos medyo madilim pa. Kasi uso TikTok nun
diba? Yeah.
So, people had videos na, ganito, tapos iba itsura, tapos gagawin yung all those transitions and effects, and yung basta yung lahat ng theatrics na ganon-ganon. Ako wala, kinuha ko yung camera ko. Choke. Tapos sa usapan.
Grabe. And then, so you sent a video, tapos ilan yung auditions that you had to go to na with them?
Like the process? I don't recall how many, but it was really, it was rigorous. It was multiple stages. So may mga interviews and all, which I cannot tell you there because
may NDA ka ba?
Hindi naman NDA necessarily. Para if ever there's someone who's watching this na gusto mag-audition, hindi mapipreempt yung but it's rigorous. No? So, eto sabihin ko dami nagtatanong kung meron daw ba akong backer or whatever, wala akong ganon.
Okay.
Hindi ako nagganon, wala akong shortcut, walang backdoor entry.
Yes.
I auditioned organically. So ganun siya. But the stages I won't tell you because para wala na naman people-empt.
Okay.
Para may mystery.
But I see why you could get there organically. Kasi your personality, I mentioned earlier, very confident.
I saw it also.
See what I'm talking about?
I saw it also. Diba?
Pero okay, so you got in already.
Yeah.
Kamusta yung process transitioning from normal life to becoming a housemate?
The transition?
Oo.
Wala akong ganung bonggang transition na
Aha.
parang mindset, whatever.
Okay.
Hindi ko alam eh. Like, kasi everything happened so quickly.
Mhm.
My family only found out at the latter part when I was about to leave the house. I did not
Okay.
tell them. So,
Okay.
the transition, hindi ko alam paano din. Basta ginawa ko lang siya. Like, alam mo, pag ganyan yung mga tanong, hindi ko alam yung sinasagot eh. But, wala. Basta, I audition, nakapasok ako, and then, umere kami sa television, and then, ganon. Hindi ko na siya in-overthink eh. So, wala
Okay.
naman akong major mindset shift na ginawa. I just let things flow. Ganon.
Pero how was it like dealing with yung, kasi I'm sure you're very much into social media, tapos bigla lang wala.
Oo.
Diba? Isn't that so hard to
Oo, because we
deal
were
with?
allowed to use social media.
You were allowed?
We weren't.
You were not.
We're
Okay,
not,
okay.
yeah.
Oo.
Especially when we started na our hotel arrest. Kasi we have to be isolated.
Ilang days kayo?
Almost 2 weeks. One from the outside world because
okay.
we should not have contact anymore sa labas.
Yes.
But
Okay.
the second and the most important thing, since wala pang vaccine ng COVID, we have to be isolated talaga. Para pagpapasok kami sa bahay, siguradong wala kaming dalang virus because naka-isolate kami. Hindi kami lumabas, hindi kami nagpunta kung saan-saan. So doon lang siya lahat nangyari.
Okay. So that time, wala kang devices at all. Were you reading? Were you allowed to read books?
Shucks. I mean, allowed magdala ng books sa quarantine.
Okay.
It's just that I didn't bring because I'm not the type who reads books.
Oh.
So kinuha ang phone ko, kinuha ang tablet ko. Wala ako anything. Wala na. Hindi ako naglilibro eh. So wala ako.
I can't imagine what else can you do kung...
Yeah, and I think I can disclose this naman. Unfortunately, I was assigned to a hotel room sa dulo ng hotel. And my room did not have a window.
Oh my gosh.
And I'm not allowed to go out. And yung TV namin hindi pwedeng gamitin.
Wait, so all the housemates na nag-quarantine, walang windows sila?
Yung mga iba walang windows. Yung mga iba may windows. So at least
pwede pala.
Alam mo, pag meron ka tinitingnan, nakaganyan ka lang, di ba? Kasi wala kaming watch eh. Kukunin nila yung watch mo eh. Any access to the date, to the time, bawal. So at least sila, if they have a window, at least they see, it's morning, it's afternoon, it's paggabi na. Wala, I don't know na. And we can't go out of the room because yun nga, kasi magkakatabi kami ng mga housemates, hindi ka pwede magkita. Diba? Okay. Nagkakarinigan kasi sa room we talk. But like, I mean, kung may kausap ako, they'll hear me. But like, for us to go out of the room and like, go around, bawal. Kaya, the only way for me to be able to figure out or have an idea kung anong oras na is through the food that they're giving. If it's like, parang itlog, tocino, hot dog, or whatever, I'd know it's breakfast. Parang ganon. But other than that, wala na akong idea kung anong oras. I swear, I lost track of time.
So, what can you do kaya? Parang, may notebook ka ba? Or may pang-drawing?
Wala akong ganun dinala. Kasi hindi ako ganun person. Hindi ako nagdo-drawing, hindi ako nagbabasa, hindi ako wala. Nandun lang ako. Alam mo, looking back, hindi ko alam paano ako na-survive yun.
Yeah.
Kasi that was 2 weeks.
Like if I put myself in that position, I'd go crazy. I think I did. And the effects are still with me right now. At this moment. Paano?
Joke lang. Okay lang ako, guys. Okay lang ako.
But
yeah.
Kudos to you for going through that.
Of course. Galing-galing ko kaya. Charot!
That's why they got him for PBB.
I know. I agree.
Okay, so pumasok ka na sa house and all that. So how long ka nagstay?
Very fast. 21 days. I was the first to be booted out.
Okay. So paano yun? Like weekly challenge na talak or something?
No. We did 3 weekly tasks naman. Nakatatlo ba ako? I think 3.
Okay.
Nomination yung bibigyan ko mo 2 puntos, si ganito, chuchu. I got nominated. I got 4 points eh.
Okay.
2 housemates nominated me. Kasi I think at the time, sa amin yun ang threshold to be nominated, 4 points. So, sa amin 3 nominees, ako ang pinaka-konti ang points. But, of course, if nominated na kayo na 3 kami at the time, yun ang pag-voting na yun, equal na lahat. Wala nang
Okay.
bearing yung mga puntos na binigay sa'yo. So, meaning,
gets. Oo,
even
true,
if your
true.
housemates hate you, kunyari linggo-linggo ka nilang ninonomi kasi nga gusto ka nilang lumayas sa bahay, pero ang voters,
Oo.
maraming pang boto sa'yo, or ang pamilya mo maraming pera para i-boto ka kahit yung mga housemates mo, suklam na sa iyo,
Oo.
hindi ka aalis sa bahay na yon unless mag-voluntary exit ka or ma-force eviction ka.
Oo.
'Di ba? So, kahit weekly kang manominate, ako maraming pera ang fans mo, tsaka ang pamilya mo, or whoever, hindi ka aalis.
Okay.
Ganun siya.
That makes sense.
Oo.
Kasi at the end of the day, it was really voting that determines your fate.
And at the time, I had an issue kasi it was a viral thing spread on the internet. So, ganun siya.
Okay.
Kaya, may vote to evict nung time ko. So, evict. Ganun siya. First evictee.
Are you open to talking about your issue, yung na-viral?
Well, I can give an overview. Diyos ko, tapos na, wala akong kailang. We can
Well, 5 years
we can
na.
talk about it if you want to. Diba?
Go.
I'm down. I mean, it was just a video where parang I said someone is marume or dirty of some sort kasi hindi siya naligo. Tapos,
Okay.
yun, na-record, na screen record yon, tapos in-upload sa Twitter pa noon, X na siya ngayon.
Yes.
And then, kumalat sa Facebook, kumalat sa TikTok, it spread.
Okay.
So, millions of views. So, syempre, ang vote to evict nun kasi accessible via text.
Yes.
It's just text mo lang, piso or whatever.
Pero that video clip came from yung daily or weekly broadcast ng PBB, or was it from
Naka-live stream kami nun.
So yung parang pwede mo lang i-access sa YouTube and all that?
I'm not sure. Basta it was live streamed, I think. Tapos,
my gosh.
na-screen record lang siya and then in-upload sa Twitter. X na ngayon. Tapos yun, kumalat na siya after that. Tapos, yun, text. I lost actually sa text votes. Text votes ang nagpatalo sa akin. Kasi marami nag-vote to evict me via text.
So that time na evict ka, was anyone else evicted? Or
No, it was just me.
Ikaw lang.
It's just me.
Oh my God.
Every week isa-isa.
Okay.
Ganun siya.
Kasi hindi pa duo, hindi pa
collab.
Ngayon kasi dalawa.
Nagkaroon ng duo drama.
Oo.
Wala, solo lang.
Pero how was the experience
It was
sa
good.
bahay?
It was good.
How
It was unique.
Okay.
Kasi alam mo 'yon, not everyone can go inside and actually live there. So millions of Filipinos want to be a part of it.
Oh naman.
So it's very unique kasi saan ka makakita ng bahay na ganon, na 24/7 monitoring with cameras. Alam mo 'yon, para siyang social experiment, para ka nasa aquarium
Oo nga. Parang si Gabby gusto niya maging PBB before.
People are watching you di ba? Para ka nasa aquarium So talaga, para siyang social experiment na hindi maintindihan, di ba? Ganun siya. So it's very unique So as cliche as it may sound, the mere fact na nakapasok ka is already a big thing.
Yes.
No? Kasi during my time, the show received about 180,000 auditionees.
Wow.
And only 21 got in. So to be chosen to be part of the 21 who were chosen, 21 ba o 18? Basta gano'n kami. 18 ba kami? Nakalimutan ko na. Basta eto guys, either 18 kami or 21. So mamili na lang kayo. 18 or 21 ang magic number ko, okay?
Grabe.
So to be chosen from the 180K plus pala. So kung part ka ng 18 or 21 na sinabi kong magic numbers, ang laking bagay nun di ba? To be chosen to actually experience that. Kasi hindi na mauulit yun You cannot just come back again na parang, alam mo yun, hindi na pwede. Walang ganon. So ang laking bagay. So it's like, it's a really good experience. I mean, one day when I'm old and gray and my face is saggy, di ba? Parang, okay, I live in that house. Parang, kung PBB season 50 na, mga ganon. Kasi season, ano ba yung ngayon? 12 na to, di ba? Kasi Gen 11 yung nahuli. 12 na itong nakatapos lang. Kung nasa season 50 na or 60, di ba, saggy na ang mukha ko. Nandiyan ako sa bahay na yun before.
Grabe.
Yeah, it's a good experience.
Yeah, and I'd say that's a I don't know what's 21 divided by 180K.
Mahina ako sa math. Ask Gabby.
Magaling ko sa nagka-calculator. Ano yun? Point something %?
0001.
0.001%.
Diba? Malaking bagay na yon. It's a good experience talaga. At hindi na siya mauulit. So it's a big thing na for me. Happy naman ako.
Ayaw mo na ulit? Mag-try?
Hindi na pwede.
Hindi na pwede?
Hindi naman to parang school na nag-drop out tapos babalik ka mag-enroll ka. Nakakaloka.
Di ako familiar.
Hey there, thanks for watching the highlights of the Hey EO podcast. If you enjoyed, why don't you like this video and subscribe to my channel? You may also watch the full episode by clicking the clip in the middle.